Hello and welcome to Skillweb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Audacity. So let's get started. At first, download Audacity. Open your web browser, go to Audacity official website and download it. After downloading, install and open Audacity. Here we got these basic controls and displays. To record audio, click here. And at the top menu, we have File, Edit, Select, and more. Let's import audio file into Audacity. Click on File, then click Open or Import and select your audio file from your computer. To highlight the specific audio, click and drag your mouse or simply click the selection tool. If you want to remove a specific part, click on Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. To split a audio, you can use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I or go to Edit and click on Split. Press Ctrl and C to copy the audio and Ctrl+B to paste, or you can go to Edit and click on them. To zoom in, click on View, then click on Zoom. Here we got several options, or you can click on Zoom icon from this toolbar. Here we have Zoom in, Zoom out, Selection tools, and more. Explore the Effects menu for tools like equalization, noise reduction, and reverb. Apply these effects to enhance your audio. If you want to ensure consistent volume across your audio, select Effect, then click on Normalize to set a standard volume. If you need a specific adjustments, click on Amplify. To add some player with effects like equalization or tonal adjustments, compression for smoothing out levels, or reverb for that perfect ambience. Add fade in and fade out, create seamless starts and finishes by applying a fade in at the beginning and a fade out at the end. Okay, now it's time to export audio. Click File, then Export. Choose your format and you are all set to conquer the world with your edited audio. So, there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.